Did you see that? It was like right there. The ice just cracked right there. We are out here today on Fish Lake. We're going to be doing some ice fishing. Second trip of the 2020 season, so hopefully we can get something. It's going to be pretty fun. See you guys out on ice. Yeah, no, like my knees are gonna go on it. I won't be cold this way because of the water of the ice. Alright, let's try to get something. Oof. First fish is really important. Yep, the eyes. We need a... Oh, wait. Yep. Really? Man, my hands are shaking. I'm kind of cold. I'm gonna put a little piece of worm on, just to get the fish to come. So over here we have something that's called a JawJacker. Pretty cool thing. I got some fresh bait.
Я быстро все решаю.
Да, Вітька десь би сім'єю, знаєш, тако, до сім'ями там якісь періоди. Рядочком туди поставити.
Hard bites.
От в мене показує, що форелька плаває, але вона... Я на яку глибину показую?
Oh, dude. На середню десь? Dude, look at that, it's crazy. Dude, got him. There we go.
Тако рукою леску держати лучше чути, знаєш?
That's a little one.
Ти кажеш, лучше підтікає.
Over there, yeah.
Йой!
Did you see that? It was like right there. The ice just cracked right there.
Yeah.
Oh god.
You see them?
Look at the water is shaking in the hole too. So we switched over to another spot. We were just actually fishing over there where my uncle is right now with my dad. So here's the tee, since apparently I wasn't recording. We came, literally we drilled, first hole we drilled, and if you can see in our fish finder, I'm getting a little closer, all that right there, from 26 feet to 38 feet to the bottom is all fish. So we're marking lots of fish. Here's the catch. I don't have a perch eye on there, a little bait, and I am not getting any bites. Well, he is absolutely slamming them right now. Oh, it's a nice one. I don't know. I mean, you're getting lots of bites too, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Man, the ice is cracking.
Are you kidding me? What is going on? These fish, they're like... Please stay on. Stay on.
Yep, fine.
It's gonna be 2-1.
Yeah.
Feels like a decent one.
Yeah, that's actually nice.
There we go.
No.
That's crazy. I don't know if you guys just heard that, but there's like literally a crack. You see it? Right there. Right there. Like, crack just goes...
It's like all around.
It's creepy. No. You got him? Oh, it came off.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Got it.
We got him.
Не
One in.
можна тільки ще 6. Але вже мама під'їжджає.
Mm-hmm.
It's a tiny one. Probably gonna let this guy go. You guys going back in the water. Oh, he hammered it. He hammered it. He hammered it. It's a small one, but he... It's a small one. Got him?
Yes, it's a small. That's gone.
Gone. Hi. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you have seen that?
Well, I don't know what that was. If that was a fish or
It
not.
wasn't that deep, I see.
It's not that deep here, yeah. Yeah, we switched, but... You got one?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even get a bite yet.
But you were pulling something in.
I'm gonna have to steal the eye from that thing.
Nice size.
There you go. You keeping that?
Probably. You're taking the eye from it.
No, you got another one? You're slaying this challenge.
For the fastest fish, I think I was winning both of them. Am I right? for the
Actually,
biggest fish. Okay, now if we were doing biggest fish, right
plumper.
now would have been good.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take the eye out of that one right there.
Okay. I'm slaying this one.
Dude. Already? Number 3.
Whoa, 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 that's spicy. I saw like a one there too.
There we go. There we go. First bite, first fish. No. What is it? 3 to 1? If I get this guy in. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, it's a nice one.
Wow.
We're slaying these fish right now. Doubled up?
Yeah, it's fighting, dude.
Dude, you got my line. Stop. I see your lure. Stop. Hi, Jessica. Jessica, come here. Hi. Time to eat, because we're kind of hungry. What time is it? It's like 12 o'clock? Right there, there's one. Literally, I didn't even reach the bottom. We're just slaying these guys right now. They're tiny ones. Oh, it's a sculpin. There we go, look at that sculpin. It's a crazy looking fish.
I start spinning right away.
Do you have fish on? Oh, you got a
monster.
sculpin?
And I said big bait, catch big fish.
You got him?
Sounds like a perch. Or feels like it, to be more correct. Yes, sir.
Nope.
I'm releasing her.
Oh, I had a fish on there. I felt it. I was like, I knew that it has to be. Wait, what's going on? There is a fish on there. This is a weird fish.
Wow. Dude, I think I'm snacking on you.
Really? There we go. It's 12:38. Let's get back in the water. How's the fishing going?
It's biting. You saw that.
We're getting bites all day, so it's going good. Not slow, but we're getting a lot of the little guys too, so it's actually pretty good. The weather's really nice. Look at it. Look at that sun up in the high in the sky. We got some fish right here. Look at that. So yeah, we're gonna be fishing some more. Probably for a couple more hours. We're gonna see how much we can get. Oh, there you go. He has one. See if you can get this one in.
I will. Small though.
Looks like a little one, yeah. Could be a sculpin. Oh yeah, look at that. It's a little sculpin. Little guy.
Don't splash.
So yeah, we're gonna get back to some fishing. You got one?
That's so nice.
Dude, we're slaying these fish right now.
It should be a pretty nice size.
Feels nice?
Oh, wow. That was really nice.
Oh yeah, that's a fat one.
Keeper right there.
You got one?
Yes, sir. It's a perch. It's a nice size too. Maxime chick.
You got one?
Love fighting them. It's a female.
Yeah.
It's kind of not too big.
Nope, it's a sculpin.
Might be a female. It's probably my thing.
That's what we're talking about. No, this one does not feel like a fish.
It's the last one.
That's not, yeah, this one feels like a female. Feels like a female. Oh, it's a nice one.
Oh, wow.
I got your line.
More snaps.
I got your line. Hold up.
But you're so lucky. I was going to pull that thing up.
Ah.
And your fish was in my
Yeah,
property.
that's a nice one right there, too. Do you have a fish on me? You have a fish on me. You have a fish on it.
What the?
That's a nice. I told you you have a fish on
How?
it. I felt it. I was like, I set the hook probably with my hand too.
It's a nice fast size too, you know what I mean? I'm keeping it.
Catch your perch all day.
No,
Oh, look at that.
they're just touching my eye.
Is that your one? Oh,
I feel like it's your fish. They just look cool.
I got some. It's a little one. Yeah, I got your line. I got your line.
We're too close. Take the third channel already.
Got him. It's a little one. Ah, came off.